Hello friends, welcome to Late Mode. There is a good news for all those SEBI Grade A aspirants who are preparing day and night to become Grade A officer at SEBI, which is a very reputed institution in Indian financial space. So, what's the good news? The good news is that SEBI Grade A 2020 final dates are out. It's out for general as well as legal and IT, and the vacancy is too much and it's out officially. So, let's discuss about that. Before moving into that, I need to mention that last year RBI Grade B 2019 result has also been declared yesterday night, and there is a video at 10 p.m. today. So those who are not able to clear that exam, they should watch the video, and those targeting RBI Grade B 2020 and 2021, that video is specifically for you. Now coming back to SEBI Grade A, what has happened? So through our internal sources, we already mentioned in our Telegram group, the link is in the description, that the pre will happen on 17th January and the mains will happen on 27th February. And that has came true, and the exam is going to happen on 17th of January and February 27. So all those people who are eligible for SEBI Grade A can still fill the form, because the last day to fill the form is 31st October and the paper format is phase 1, phase 2 and interview. I will later on discuss also about how to prepare for phase 1, phase 2 and interview in parallel. I have also discussed this in past, so you can go to the I button at the left hand side top of the video and you can watch those videos as well. So what all has been written in the notification, let's analyze that. So here you can see one point that between this pre and mains you will get easily around 40 days. But you don't need to be comfortable that I will completely read everything in that 40 days, because see, the paper 1, paper 2, okay, and paper 1, paper 2 of phase 1 and phase 2. So the paper 2 is common in both phases. The paper 1 is here QRE GA and here it is descriptive, and our courses are already running for all this. So the thing is, the point to be noted is the paper 2 for both phases is common. So you have to study in such a way that from beginning you are preparing for paper 2 in a smart way. That's the trick over here, and you can't neglect the descriptive part. This holds 33% of weightage, no negative marking, and this is very scoring section. Like previously in also NABARD and SEBI other regulatory body exams like RBI and NABARD, we have saw that descriptive was very scoring section. So you have to follow that, and doing so you can clear phase 2 as well. So the strategy is pretty clear. Let's move to what all has been written in the notification today. So it's paper 2 of phase 2 of IT stream shall be held separately. So obviously IT phase 2 paper 2 will be separate, and coding will be asked in that. And after that it's written that 7th March notification advertisement has been published. So yeah, that's corrigendum regarding that. So that's a modification. 2 vacancies are shown as reserved for PD category. So this is specifically for all those who comes under the physically disturbed category, which our prime minister say as Divyang and not physically disturbed. So those Divyang peoples. And the point number 2 is for phase 2 examination of IT stream shall be coding test. So IT guys, the coding test is here. So we were getting many queries like what will be asked. So coding will be asked. The maximum mark cutoff and weightage of paper 2 of phase 2 of IT shall be same as applicable for other stream. So here you can easily see that the cutoff of IT stream will apply as same as other streams. So apart from coding, everything is same. Moving forward, the syllabus has also been mentioned for IT stream. So it's algo, data structure and string manipulation, and the focus is more on concepts using languages like Python, Java, C++. Apart from that, the whole syllabus is also written over here, and 20 marks is for string manipulation, and data structure and algorithm holds 40 marks. Now coming to again the paper 1 and paper 2 of pre. So let me clarify a few things. Let's talk about phase 1. So in phase 1 you have 2 paper. In paper 1 you will see quant, reasoning, English and GA. Most probably GA will come off either 40 marks or 25 marks. So I assume it will be of 25 marks, 25 marks, 25 marks, 25 marks. Second criteria will be, second scenario, that GA will be asked of 40 marks. So GA will be asked of 40 marks and the rest 2 will be asked of 20 marks. So 40 plus 20 into 3. These two scenario may come. So you have to focus on GA, quant, reasoning, English, and if you score 30% mark in paper 1 phase 1, then you are pass, but try to score more because there is a overall cutoff on phase 1 also. Now coming to paper 2 of phase 1. So phase 1, paper 2. In paper 2, what's happening? You have a focused paper for, let's say, general, IT as well as legal. So here you have to score 40% marks. When you will score 40% marks, then you are eligible to appear for mains. Now combining both these, out of 200 marks, you have to score at least 80 marks to be eligible for phase 2 exam. And in phase 1, paper 1, there is no sectional cutoff. This has already been clarified through an RTI through various platforms. So that's all about phase 1. Now talking about phase 2. So in phase 2, you have two papers. First is descriptive, and that's common for all stream, whether it's general, legal or IT. Now paper 2 of phase 2 is separate for IT, legal and general. For general, there are topics like financial market, economics, management, and all those costing, accounting and everything. And for IT, coding, this is coming. And for legal, all those laws. And for legal, yes, the syllabus is different for paper 2 of phase 1 and paper 2 of phase 2. So lots of confusion was there. I have to switch between phase 1, phase 2, paper 1, paper 2. I hope I have cleared all your clarification and all your doubts. So you have to focus on descriptive also. You can't ignore that section. And what we have for you in the kitty, so our courses are already running, and in SEBI you will get MCQs, you will get mocks, you will get PDF course, you will get guidance, and you will also get descriptive. So you can enroll for our SEBI grade A course. Moving forward, for RBI grade B, our course is also running. So here also you will get everything, a holistic and comprehensive approach for phase 1, ESI, FM and descriptive. And you can opt for it for descriptive. There are multiple tests. Further content will be provided, because what happens if I ask you to write an essay on national education policy? Now I will give you 400 words, as happened in NABARD last month. So what happened? Everybody choked out, full blackout. So why? Because you were not reading the newspaper. You are working in a PSB, you are working in an IT company, you are not getting time to read the newspaper or to open any business newspaper app. So we will provide you the further content. How to use that? We will provide you the guidance over lectures, value added videos. So there will be 3-4 tests for descriptive, and you can opt for that. Coming to SEBI grade A GA part, again this much section will be asked: current affairs, sports, RBI news, SEBI news, schemes, budget, monetary policy review, economic survey. This is 2019 actually syllabus, so this is 2018-19, so it will be updated, and static news, money, so the whole topics are there. Now there are two ways to study GA. First way is you will spend at least 1 hour on any YouTube video, or you will read 1 hour of newspaper. Then you will watch the daily GK update of a website. Then you will attend multiple quizzes. There are a lot of YouTubers nowadays teaching GK, so YouTube videos again there. After doing all this, what happens? I have seen students scoring 12 marks out of 40. So that's not a right approach. What you have to do, I will tell you in the end of the video. So watch this video till the end. Moving forward, this is our Quora group. So you can go over there and search for RBI grade B 2020 as well as SEBI grade A 2020. And we have around 1700 people in the group. So you can join this going to Quora. And here is the link for the courses. So you can also get the courses and the GK subscription, and the Telegram and YouTube link you can subscribe us from there also. And this RBI course is already running and everything is provided over there. Moving forward, you can see the reviews. So our reviews are extremely positive, as you can see in this slides. And why should you opt for light? So everything is written over here, like our content is more focused on quality compared to quality, and you have to reach to a very minuscule population, which is around 100. So to reach there, you need personalized guidance over mail, call from toppers. And we will definitely help you to reach from 0 to top. If you are not at any placement, so your knowledge is 0, still don't worry, we will help you reach at the top. So you can target your dream at an affordable cost, and we will help in SEBI also in all possible ways. So these are again the reviews of our platform. You can check that across internet, it's available everywhere. And this is the RBI grade B course, which is already running, and here we have the RBI SEBI combo course. So if you are preparing for RBI plus SEBI, so you can opt for this course. This is running on 50% discount currently. So this is on 50% discount, and you can go to this website and check the courses section. mail us at the hi@litmod.in for any doubt. Mail us at this email ID, any doubt, anything, phase 1, phase 2, paper 1, paper 2, descriptive interview, anything. Only descriptive for all exams is also there, so you can also opt for, if you want to only improve your descriptive part, so you can also opt for that. So here you will find in the courses section only English descriptive is there, so here you can opt for the course and you can improve your descriptive writing, and you need at least 2-3 months to improve your descriptive writing, because there are multiple things. Starting from first, we will improve your typing speed, then your English skills, then your punctuation, grammatical error, apart from that data, fodder content, how to use those content. So descriptive is not one day strategy, it takes at least 3-4 months. So better to enroll fast and give at least one test every month and get the guidance and excel in SEBI grade A paper 1 phase 2. Moving forward, our SEBI grade A course is also available over there, and if you want to only go for GA GK for SEBI, so that's also available there. So check the description for all those details and the playlist. And if you have any doubt, mail us at hi@litmod.in, and any type of doubt regarding whether RBI, SEBI, PFRDA is open. So PFRDA is also slotted on 8th of November, RBI assistant on 22 November, and RRB PO clerk date will be out anytime. SBI JA date will be out anytime. RBI grade B vacancy can be out anytime. So next 3 months is going to be like super over for all those aspirants. So be the Jasprit Bumrah of this super over and just York IBPS. Thank you for watching the video, and God bless you all.